This Amazon coloring book right here is making over $28,000 a month in revenue. And today I'm going to try making my own version of this same coloring book using AI. Then I'm going to start a 60-minute timer and I'm going to try to recreate this book using AI. We're going to create an original interior, cover, title, and everything for our coloring book, all using AI. So anyways, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, here I am on Amazon right now. We're taking a look at the listing really quickly. And as we can see here, according to KDP-Scout, which is a Chrome extension I use, this book is bringing in $28,000 a month in revenue on Amazon. And it has a bestseller rank of 696, which is super great. As we can see here, the cover art looks really nice. It has this really nice looking light blue color here that instantly stands out on the Amazon search page. So if a customer is looking for coloring books on Amazon, they'll very easily be able to see this book cover because of just how bright and engaging it is. The actual coloring pages themselves look really basic, and we're going to basically create super similar looking coloring pages using AI. These style of coloring pages can super easily be replicated using AI tools just because of how basic they are. And then of course, one of the main reasons why this book is doing so well is the review count. This book has been on Amazon for quite a while and it's already almost at 2,400 reviews, which is just incredible. So that those reviews are really helping this book stand out. So now that we understand exactly why this book is selling so well on Amazon, how it positions itself against the competition, let's go ahead and actually create our own version of this book. Now for my book idea, I actually wanted to create a coral reef themed coloring book. As we can see here on Amazon, the ocean coloring book niche is doing pretty well. There's a lot of different ocean themed coloring books here from various different self-publishers. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to create our own coral reef themed one because I think that would be a pretty fun coloring book to make. All right, now the tool we're going to be using today to actually make everything inside this book, the cover, the interior, and all the assets for our book, we're going to be using LitPal.ai. It is the fastest way you can create full coloring books for Amazon KDP. And if you guys want to check out the tool, I'll leave it as the top link in the description. From inside the dashboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the coloring books tab right here, and I'm going to click create new book on this purple button here in the top left. I'll open that. And then for the book title, because I want to make a coral reef specific coloring book, I'm going to call this book Coral Reefs. And then for the book description, I'm going to just generate this using AI. I'll click accept. What the book description is it's basically a longer prompt telling the AI exactly what you want in your book. You can get super detailed if you want with this, or you can just do what I do, which is just I have the AI generate it for me. For the number of pages, I'm going to select 40 pages. For the book trim size, I'm going to select 8.5 by 8.5. And then for the line thickness, I'm actually going to go with medium balanced. If you want a thinner look, you can go with thin, fine detail, or bold, extra thick if you really want to get bolder lines. I like to go with medium because I think it's just like a good middle ground. But anyways, once I've gone ahead and configured all my settings, I'm just going to go ahead and click generate coloring book. And just like that, guys, after a little while, our 40-page coloring book has finished generating. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As we can see here, guys, we have this really nice looking bold and easy coloring book with our coral reef style. And as we guys can see here, this entire book generated really quickly using AI. If you guys wanted to create the same book using something like Gemini or ChatGPT, it could take you a long time because you'd have to generate every single page individually. Just in case you wanted to edit any of your coloring books here inside LitPal AI, I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to edit your coloring books. All you have to do to edit your coloring books inside LitPal AI is come down here to the little prompt bar here at the bottom and just describe exactly what you want. So let's say, for example, inside this shipwreck scene right here, this sunken ship, let's say I want to add a skeleton or a pirate skeleton to it. All I have to do is come here to the prompt bar, click on it, and just tell my instructions over to the AI. Hey AI, please add a pirate skeleton to the bottom of the ship. Then I'll just go ahead and click the little edit button right here, and it's going to add the little skeleton to the scene. And just like that, guys, as you can see right there, there's now a little pirate skeleton near the bottom of the ship, and it actually looks really great. So that's exactly how you edit your pages inside of LitPal AI. But anyways, guys, once you're ready to actually export your coloring book from inside of LitPal, after you're happy with how your coloring pages have come out, all you have to do is come here to the top right corner, click export PDF, then click the little export PDF button right here, and it'll download a print ready KDP PDF you can actually upload to Amazon KDP with your book. Just like that, guys, the PDF has finished downloading to my computer, and we now have this fully formatted KDP-Ready PDF of our coral reef themed coloring book. So anyways, what I'm going to do now is, now that we've finished the interior of our book, all we have to do is create the book cover. So let me show you guys exactly how to make premium professional looking book covers here inside LitPal AI. Now, if we take a look at our competitor's book cover right here, we can see that it's a very bold coloring book cover. There's a lot of bright colors. There's like this really nice looking blue color in the background, and then all these really beautiful looking fish and aquatic style elements. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use this coloring book cover as inspiration for our own AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click on the cover here, and I'm going to save the image to my computer. The reason why I'm doing this is I'm actually going to attach this file inside of LitPal AI in just a moment and add it as a reference image. So what I'm going to do now is inside of LitPal, I'm going to click the purple create new cover button right here. I'm going to call this coloring book Cozy Coral. And then for the subtitle, it's going to be a bold and easy aquatic coloring book. So the full title is Cozy Coral, a bold and easy aquatic coloring book. And then for the book type up here, you got to make sure that it's on the coloring book type. Then for the trim size, I'm also going to make sure that it's on 8.5 by 8.5 square. It's very, very important that when you actually select your trim size here, that it actually matches the same trim size as your interior file. For the page count, I'm going to select this to 82. You got to make sure that the page count always matches the same page count as your interior. For the paper type, I'm going to select white. And then for the binding type, we're going to do paperback. And then for the description, I'm just going to generate this using AI. And then I'm going to go ahead and accept that right here. And then for the cover inspiration, I'm actually going to toggle this on, and I'm going to click uploaded cover for inspiration. And then I just went ahead and uploaded the image of my competitor's coloring book cover here. And our AI is actually going to draw some inspiration from their cover and actually use it in our own. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click the generate cover button right here. The AI is going to generate the entire cover for us. And I'm going to come back to you guys in just a few minutes once our cover is finished generating. And just like that, guys, after just a few minutes, our Cozy Coral coloring book cover is now done. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the view cover button right here. And as we can see, our book cover actually turned out looking really, really nice. But we are going to make a few edits to it, especially to the front cover here. Overall, it looks super, super beautiful. I just want to make a few quick edits to it so we can, get it a little bit more fine and just improve it slightly. And now I'm going to make some slight edits to the front cover. Now, to make edits to your book cover, that's really, really easy. All you're going to do is you're going to use the prompt bar here at the bottom to help you make the edits. So I'm just going to send some prompts over to the AI, and it's going to change up some things on the cover. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of like these little blank bars behind the text on the top and the bottom. So I'm going to do that really quickly. Hey AI, can you please remove the blank bars on the top and bottom of the cover? Please remove them behind the text. Then I'll just go ahead and send that prompt over to the AI agent, and it'll start to work. And just like that, guys, the AI agent has gone ahead and made the edits to our front cover after a few seconds. Now, when you're ready to actually export your coloring book cover, all you have to do is go here to the top right corner, click the purple full PDF button right here, and you're going to get a fully KDP formatted and ready book cover you can actually upload to Amazon KDP. So I'll just go ahead and wait for this cover to finish downloading, and I'll go ahead and upload the file in a new tab. And this is what the file looks like when it's done. It looks really, really beautiful, all pre-formatted for Amazon KDP. Now, to make sure that your book cover is successfully uploaded to Amazon KDP, you have to make sure that the dimensions and the sizing of your cover is correct. So that way, when you upload it to Amazon KDP, you don't run into any issues. To do that, all you have to do is go here to the resize/change dimensions button right here, and you can change the cover dimensions here by selecting the page count, the paper type, the binding type, and the trim size. And this will help you change the settings of your cover, so that way you can actually get it uploaded to KDP correctly. And just like that, guys, we were literally able to create the entire interior and cover of a beautiful looking coloring book inside of LitPal AI super, super quickly using AI. That just goes to show how quickly you can now create and replicate other people's style of coloring books using AI. But guys, if you guys want to create coloring books and coloring book covers super, super quickly using AI, go ahead and check out litpal.ai. I'll leave it as the top link in the description. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Please hit the subscribe button. I really want to hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. It would really mean the world if you went ahead and hit the subscribe button. But anyways, as always, guys, stay excellent.